फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ गाइस। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। जैसे कि आप सब लोग देख सकते हैं, आई हैव ब्रॉट बैक माय ओल्ड सेटअप बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग कमेंट कर रहे थे दैट यू गाइज मिस my old setup. So here's my old setup. I hope you all like that, and yeah, now without talking too much, let's get started with today's video. So fantastics, you guys have been giving me some crazy dares like make slime without any glue, without cornstarch, without boric acid, without peel off face mask, or without literally anything. So those dares are pretty extreme, and today's video is something like that. So I have finally found a recipe in which we can make fluffy slime without any white glue, without any borax, and the most important thing, without shaving foam or shaving cream. So yeah, this video is pretty crazy. So let me show you guys how to exactly make fluffy slime without any of the ingredients that are usually essential to make a fluffy slime. So if you guys are excited to see how we can make this slime, then make sure to give this video a like, and please subscribe, and make sure to comment something really nice so that you guys can also get shout outs. Now let's see how to make this magical slime, and let's get started. So as usual, to make any slime, we first need our slime bowl. So here's our slime bowl, and now we need our first ingredient, which is FeviGum. So yeah guys, our first ingredient is FeviGum. So the glue base that we are going to use to make fluffy slime is FeviGum. Now I have literally never used FeviGum to make a fluffy slime before. So let's see if we can make a fluffy slime or not. And the first ingredient is glue. So let's add our glue into the bowl. So now that we have added our glue into our bowl, now we need a little bit of water. So make sure to fill up the water until here of the remaining glue bottle, and make sure to get all the leftover glue in it. And after that, add the water into our slime bowl. So yeah, now let's do that, and I'll fast forward this process. So now that we have added our water into the glue, now don't mix the glue mixture until we've added our next ingredient, which is some baking soda. So we need a little bit of baking soda because we are going to use no borax activator. So we need a little bit of baking soda for our activation process. So let's add the baking soda. Now that we have added our baking soda into it, now it's time for us to mix our glue mixture with the water and baking soda. So let's mix this, and make sure to mix it properly, and make sure all the water and baking soda is combined. Now as you guys can see, our mixture is completely mixed. So finally we are going to add the ingredient which is going to make our slime fluffy. So any guesses? Anyone? Make sure to comment down below your guesses in the comment section or in the live chat. So yeah guys, I am here with you, so make sure to comment down below your guesses. So drum rolls. The ingredient that we are going to use is some foaming hand wash. So yeah guys, this is our secret weapon, and this is the ingredient that will help us make our slime super fluffy. So now let's add our foaming agent into it. So yeah, So as you guys can see, this slime looks, oh my god, this looks so fluffy. Like you guys can see, we don't need any shaving foam. It's like super fluffy, and it is in a very faint yellowish color. So if you guys want, we can add more, you know, yellowish color. So I think I'm going to add a bit yellow color because I don't think you guys can see it pretty clearly. So yeah, I'll just add a little bit of yellow color. So now I'll add some, you know, lemon yellow food coloring to match our slime. So let's add some food coloring. I think this should be enough. Let's mix. Okay, this is giving our slime a nice color. So as you guys can see, I have been mixing this for a long time, and this slime, like, oh my god, this slime mixture really fluffed up. Like, oh my god, like this container is super small. So now let's get started with the activation process. So the activator that I'm going to use today is contact lens solution. So I am going to use contact lens solution, as I think most of you guys guessed. So yeah, let's start adding contact lens solution and make sure to, you know, mix it really good. Like as you guys can see, it is already, like, can you guys see that it is activating so soon? Oh my god, it's wow. It didn't even take 2 to 3 seconds. Like, it was instant activation. Can you guys see that? Oh my god, this mixture is so fluffy. Wow. So let's add a little bit more activator to make sure that everything is fluffy, and I am going to fast forward this so that you guys can enjoy it. Oh my god, this does looks like whipping cream or some buttercream. Oh my god, this literally looks so good. So as you guys can see, our fluffy slime is ready, and oh my god, it's just too fluffy, you guys. Oh my god, it's like literally a cloud. Can you guys hear those pokes? Like, oh my god. Like, this is literally the fluffiest slime, and it's been a long time since I've made, you know, a fluffy slime recipe, like 2 years or 3 years, I don't know. But oh my god, guys, like, fluffy slime never disappoints, and it's just so nice. Like, wow. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and make sure to leave a lovely comment. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.